Hey friends, Jessica here with Creators Couture, and I just finished a brand new tutorial using my new brushes inspired by textile and fiber arts that look like this. This is a little tutorial summary, just a preview of what we are doing in this tutorial, and I am very keen to wrap it up because I had to turn off my portable air conditioner and I am sweating my butt off. But just finish this up. You'll see in this tutorial how easy it is to create a fiber art inspired illustration like this with lots of texture, and the brushes make it oh so easy. We are using these brushes, and here you can get a little preview of them. They have all different kinds of effects, and I will show you a few of the brushes in action just to like whet your appetite a little bit. Oh my gosh, excuse me. I can't be bothered to record that again, so it's just gonna stay in. And just to give you a preview of what these brushes do, and then if you're interested, you can watch the full tutorial. I'll link it down below. And also I'm doing these recaps because YouTube does not like long videos, so I'm like, you know what, I'll just link it and you can just see the preview of it. So this is brush number 14. Look at all these cool fiber sort of effects. Here is this orange brush that I use here. They're pressure sensitive, really cool. This yellow brush is really unique. Again, pressure sensitive. You go light, it looks like that. You push hard, it looks much more dramatic. Same with this blue. Everything is pressure sensitive, which makes it really cool. These, I love to do these really strong fiber accents. It really adds extra stuff. Here's a nice brown brush. Just some nice sort of fibery brushes here. I added these nice yellow accents, and let's skip ahead here to this is the brush that I used to make the tree accents, some darker accents, some textile accent on these gorgeous tree situations. And this is a real nice punch needle effect for some greenery on that tree. So if you're intrigued, click the link below or the connected YouTube video and check it out. And feel free to let me know if you have any questions. And also in the full tutorial, you get some of my updates and whatever commentary about what's been going on in life. So hope you enjoy the tutorial. Hope you enjoy the preview. Just trying to do the least possible so that I can preview my tutorial and get seen again by YouTube. So I will see you guys for the next tutorial. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, all the things. And I'm really excited to be getting back into work. And even though it's an eternal heat wave in the south of France, and I'm miserable. So, all right, guys, I'll see you on the next tutorial.